In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Wix Website 2025, quick and easy. Let's start on your Wix dashboard. From the main view, head to your Sites area in Wix Studio so you can see all the websites in your account. This is where we'll do everything. If you're not already there, open the sites list with the All Items view so your projects are visible. Next, open the Folders panel to filter what you're looking at. Choose the Not Published folder to narrow things down to your drafts or any sites that aren't live. This makes it easier to avoid accidentally deleting an active site. If you don't see the site you're after here, it may be in a different folder. You can switch back to All Items and proceed the same way. Find the site you want to remove and select it. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one by checking the site name and preview thumbnail. Once you've selected it, open the Actions menu for that site. Depending on your layout, this usually looks like a 3-dot or More Actions button on the site tile. Choose Move to Trash. Wix will show a confirmation prompt so you understand you're moving the site out of your main workspace. Confirm by clicking Move to Trash again. This step doesn't permanently erase the site. It simply relocates it to the trash, which is a safer place to double-check before final deletion. After the site moves, click Go to Trash. This takes you directly to the trash folder so you can finish the process without hunting for it. In the trash, select the same site one more time. Again, verify you've picked the right one, since the next step is permanent. Open the actions for that trashed site and choose Remove Site. Wix will warn you that this cannot be undone. When you're sure, click Remove to permanently delete the site from your account. A few quick tips before you wrap up. If the site had a connected domain or a premium plan, be sure you've handled those separately to avoid ongoing charges. Canceling or transferring billing items is managed outside of deletion. Also, consider exporting any content you might need later before you move a site to trash. And if you only wanted to clear clutter, leaving a site in the trash for a short time gives you a buffer before you permanently remove it. That's it. You opened your sites list, filtered to Not Published, selected the correct project, moved it to trash, went to the trash folder, and permanently removed it.